Hello, it is your boy Idrissa. This is a short video on how to install Laravel on your machine. As you can see, I'm currently using Mac OS. My PCs run Mac OS, and I'll show the documentation for the installation Laravel on your Mac OS and Windows. If you have a Linux, you may follow the Linux documentation on how to use Laravel on your machine. But for me, I use Mac OS. I'll follow the documentation on how to install Laravel on Mac OS. It says before you create your first project, you have to have a PHP and Composer installed on your machine. Or if you are developed on a Mac OS, PHP Composer can be installed within the minute via Node. This Node is a newly application. It's only run on Mac OS currently. I do have a Node on my PC, my PC, but I won't use it because I want to show this tutorial is special for absolute beginners, not for the people who have already experience with the Laravel. First, you have to install Composer on the machine, and the installation instruction can be found here on this official website, Composer, getcomposer.org. You may download it, documentation, or you may press here, get started, and then when you press get started, you come here, the dependence old requirement which needed on your PC. First, you may download the executable file, or you may install it locally by downloading this composer.phar on your working directory and run php composer.phar in order to run a composer. Or you may run this composer php composer setup.php -- install dir equal being composer. This composer is not a PHP. You have to install a PHP first on your machine, and then you will come to install this composer. If you don't have a PHP on your machine, this process will work for you. So if you want me to create a video and show you how to install PHP on your machine, I'll do for you. Leave a comment below and I'll make that video for you. But today is not this video. It's only how to install Laravel on the machine, not Composer, not package manager, and not any other thing. Okay, imagine you have already installed a Composer on your machine. There's two ways of the installation. Oh, can I say that there is a main ways of Laravel installation. The first way, using this with a local Laravel will be running on a local via Composer, or you may install Laravel installer global on the machine, or you may run Laravel on the Docker machine. For those who use Mac OS, Docker container, it comes an operating system comes with its OS. But for those who use Windows, they have to follow the instruction on how to install Docker container. And here it's instruction, official website of Docker. But for me, I'm not using Windows, I'm using Mac. For this instruction won't be necessary. So after finish your installation, as I said earlier, my focus is only for beginners people. After finish installation of your composer, you may create a project by running this following command here. Come on your terminal, I'll go into desktop directory. When I'm in desktop, I'll write composer, create project Laravel and the name of your project. The project will be first day. Oh, sorry, my bad. Laravel. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the folder is right here. The first day our project has already been created. That the second way, let me show the second way. We may also be able to create Laravel via Laravel installer. This via composer and this via Laravel installer. Let me show how to create project via Laravel installer. First, if you don't have Laravel installer installed on the machine, there's a command up there, this one. You copy and paste and install. Or on machine I've already installed it, but it will only be updated if there is a new version. If there is not, you won't. As you can see, currently I'm using 4.5, the latest version of Laravel installer. So now I will show you another way.